There have been a host of changes with procurement and sourcing. Blanket purchase orders are replaced by a broader set of functionality that has been renamed purchase agreements. The delivery schedule now consists of an order line with multiple deliveries with additional scheduled delivery lines. A purchase agreement is basically part of accounts payable and states the various clauses between the vendor and buyer about the quality of the product, the average quantity which should pass the quality test, and so on. The rejection and acceptance of the orders from the vendor will depend on the purchase agreement. The first screenshot in this slide is the delivery schedule for the purchase line, wherein a period is set for delivery of a specific number of products. The second screenshot shows change management, which uses workflow and allows for different processes depending on the purchase order. The third screenshot refers to the approved vendor list, which is a listing of all the vendors who are approved by the authorized personnel and categorized as per their domain. Several enhancements have been added to sales and marketing, and these include blanket sales orders, which are replaced by a broader set of functionality that has been renamed sales agreements. The delivery schedules feature allows you to create a sales quotation or sales order for an overall quantity that may qualify for a discounted price based on a trade agreement, with portions of that quantity being shipped on a scheduled or as-needed basis. In customer rebates, you'll see several enhancements that support customer rebate functionality that are available in the new release. The rebate feature now allows customers to accumulate rebates on a periodic basis. Look at the delivery schedule. The first screenshot here resembles the purchase line and is the delivery schedule for the sales line, wherein a period is set for sales delivery of some products. The sales agreement shown in the second screenshot is similar to the purchase agreement and is basically part of accounts receivable. It's the various clauses between the seller and the buyer about the quality of the product, the average quantity which should pass the quality test, and so on. The rejection and acceptance of the sales orders from the buyer would depend on the sales agreement. This is the sales agreement form on which the clauses of quality, delivery, timeline, etc. are specified. In the screenshot, the status of the sales agreement, which is a blanket sales agreement, is on hold. With regards to production control, customers can activate multi-site functionality. If new batch orders are created manually for a planning item or formula location, the formula and route versions are automatically selected based on the defaulted quantity of the greater of the formula size, minimum order quantity, or standard order quantity, and scheduled start date of the order. The manufacturing execution module, previously called shop floor control, has been split into two separate modules, time and attendance and manufacturing execution. The modules allow the user to collect data on production and perform other activities originating from batch orders for catch weight and non-catch weight goods. Process manufacturing is now fully integrated with Warehouse Management System 2 for all processed products, as mentioned earlier, and that includes catch weight products. This includes process manufacturing reservation, same batch reservation, expiry date, shelf life best before customer sellable days, FEFO, batch disposition codes, and batch attribute based on reservations. The consolidated batch orders, as shown in the screenshot, are an important part of production control. The second screenshot shows the batch order attributes and the sub-stages within it as part of the setup in the inventory and warehouse management module. The third screenshot shows the master planning module, where batch orders which are planned for dispatch are mentioned under planned orders. These screenshots show the manufacturing execution section within production control module, which collect production data and batch orders related to catch weight and non-catch weight goods. Second module, time and attendance, shown in the second screenshot, records when workers arrive and depart, reports on indirect activities, calculates worker time, and tracks worker absences. Throughout the development of AX 2012, reports are being converted to Microsoft SQL Server Reporting Services reports. For process manufacturing, only a subset of reports will be converted to SSRS in this release. Customized standard reports, we're looking at 19 standard reports that have been customized and converted to SSRS. 3 custom reports for process manufacturing that have been converted to SSRS reports in AX 2012 include batch cost estimates and costing, catch weight, on-hand inventory, and shelf advice. The screenshot shown here shows the SSRS architecture. The second screenshot shows the path of the creation of the reports, starting from the menu items originating from AX client and end-user workstation, SSRS instance, and report server to the services section in the AX server. The SSRS report structure node shows a brief hierarchy within SSRS reports, which includes reports, accounts, investment analysis, designs, role center, permissions, and other nodes. The report templates in the second screenshots consist of templates which contain information which you want for creating multiple reports of the same type and information. The different types of templates consist of attributes which can be set as shown in the subnodes within report templates. Over the next few slides, we will take up cases for new installation and upgrade to AX 2012. What's new in AX 2012 installation? If I had to talk about the one most important change in the installation of AX 2012, it would be the simplified experience. AX 2012 comes with redesigned wizard pages, improved progress indicators, a ton of setup, provision of post-installation configuration steps, and non-requirement of Kerberos authentication. Improved prerequisite validation comes with standalone utility validation of prerequisites and consolidated validation. There are inbuilt features for simplified client development, integrated installation of service packs and updates, improved discoverability of log files and reports, a setup that can be patched, and simplified installation for single computer deployments are additional changes in the installation.